Hey, how's it going, my friends? And in this video we're gonna make a mechanical pencil, and it's gonna be super simple, of course. Well, enjoy. So here we go. Mechanical pencil. It's quite mechanical. So as before this started this video, this project, I wanted to make just like dividers. I want to dividers that can scratch the metal and not worry about the steel and stuff like this. Like kind of similar to these ones, but not for circles, for lines and stuff like this. And I thought it's gonna be, you know, nice simple short video, get it going. And my mind was like, how about make a mechanical pencil instead? And yeah, it's 30 moving parts in this one, not including the screws. So it was quite complicated, to say the least. But it's there. It's I got there in the end, and it works and it's cool, and you get like the eraser on the back and the lead in the front and the ruler and the holder for, you know, rest for the hand. I also want that. Yeah, basically just make it a little bit harder on myself is the idea. I would call this a prototype, since well, first of all, this is not the best way to make a mechanical pencil, obviously, since people like actual engineer haven't designed the real pencil to be like that. But however, there is a small design flaw in this, where when I extract or retract the lead rod, like the mechanism works, but I can kind of like push it back with the finger, and that's not locked in tight. I didn't think about it, but well, that's an issue. That is an issue. But I will solve this this specific one with like a coupler. In the end, I will put a small coupler just to tighten it, basically to add more stuff to this thing. So in the future, what I would do a bit differently if I were to make another one of these is that I would make a holder that holds the lead rod tightly and firmly, and I would just turn the thing that holds it, not the lead itself, if that makes sense. You know, there's this like small kind of like padded wheels that pressure the lead, and they already got blackened from the lead. Well, I could have seen that. And the ruler works. I really like the ruler. It might be a bit complicated to measure things and not be able to mark it, since the drawing point is on that side. But you can, I mean, you can disconnect it and just use it as a tiny ruler, which is also pretty cool, I guess. Other than that, in this project I went full on brass everywhere. Brass is my favorite metal to work with. No steel this time. Still, even though normally I work with both brass and steel, since I like the relationship color-wise. But since steel is super difficult to work with this kind of, with my hand tools and stuff like this, so I decided to work only with brass, and I found this silvering liquid thing that I can just spread on the brass and it will turn it silver, which works really surprisingly well, and I'm really happy with it. So I'm gonna do that, and it's also a little bit more shiny and reflective than steel, and easier to polish. So I hope you liked this video, and if you enjoy this kind of stuff, and to see me making weird mechanisms and machines or other things, sculptures and stuff, I will see the next video will be a little bit different. So it would be really nice if you subscribe to the channel, or like the video, share the video. This is not supposed to come off. There we go. good as new. Anyway, so see you again next video.